Today we're going to be talking about two major catalysts that just sent GNUS Stock soaring. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock of the moment, why it's your favorite stock of the moment, and to also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want 2 free stocks from WeBull and you have not made an account yet, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get all signed up. Without any further ado, let's get into today's stock, ticker symbol GUNS. Or GNUS Brands. So first of all, I'd like to say awesome day in the markets. Pretty much everything is up. Palantir, CCIV, BNGO, AMC. I'm sure you guys haven't missed the AMC video that Kyle made earlier this morning. If you did, go ahead and click the card in the top right and go watch his video on AMC. Basically, today's Monday when I film this. It's going to be released tomorrow. Penny stocks and speculative stocks in general absolutely killed it. The market was also green for the day with my Vanguard ETFs like VGT, VOO, my other ones. I can't remember what they are at the moment because I like to just set and forget those ones. But penny stocks and speculative stocks were all up, it seemed, at least from 5 to 25% on, not a lot of news in the market today. But yeah, so at the time you're watching this, I believe Apple's earnings call should also be live. So if you guys want to go check that out, that's going to be huge. I have probably my biggest position is on Apple. But anyways, that's it for the overall update on the market. Let's get into GNUS Stock. So obviously, I love GNUS Stock. I make videos on it probably every week or two. The last time I made a video on it, I believe the stock was sitting at about $1.62. Yeah, you can see right here, $1.62. And the title of the video was, "Is GNUS Stock the next Disney?" Spoiler alert, no, it's not the next Disney, but it could be extremely good with the amount of cash they have on hand and the amount of things they are acquiring, such as Stanley's Universe. And that's going to lead us right into the article for today, which is from Investor Place. You can see up here the NASDAQ up 1% today. But from Investor Place, GNUS Stock. 2 big catalysts lifting GNUS Brands today. Here's why GNUS Stock's on the move today. So that's what it's about. But yeah, so GNUS Stock was obviously up almost 9% at the time that they wrote this. I believe that's about right for the end of the day as well. Might have been down after hours, but not too worried about it. But they just said that there's 2 big reasons, so let's get into those. So obviously today was the premiere of Superhero Kindergarten, and it hit 2 million views, which was way past what they expected apparently. But this was the highly anticipated premiere of Stanley's Superhero Kindergarten. So it was obviously better than it was before. And the company announced that more than 2 million views of the premiere this past weekend. And Mr. Schwarzenegger, so Arnold Schwarzenegger, former Californian governor, will be promoting this show on Jimmy Kimmel Live because he has a lead role in the series. So as a kid, I really liked Arnold Schwarzenegger's voice, so I'm sure that a lot of kids are going to like that on those shows as well, so it'll keep them entertained. The company is working on licensing deals right now. They're trying to get a bunch of acquisitions of new shows so that they can keep people interested in their platform, and is in negotiations with best-in-class licensing partners. So they are really looking to take huge market share, especially in the kid sector of the entertainment market. So that's very good. And according to the company's CEO, Andy Hayward, GNUS remains blown away by the extraordinary and immediate viewership and positive feedback, with over 2 million views in the first weekend. So basically he's just saying it's awesome. They also climbed on the I don't know how to say it. I believe Kyle made a video on CIDM. But they both ran off this information on April 20th. But for some reason, Investor Place has this as a catalyst for today. So obviously on April 20th, it was announced that GNUS would be partnering with CIDM to form a partnership around GNUS cartoon channel. So that's going to be their main platform that they're pushing, trying to be kind of like Disney Plus or Netflix for kids. If you guys didn't know what GNUS Brands already was. It appears to be mutually beneficial, the deal with Sidin and GNUS. And the GNUS's cartoon channel gets more content as a result, and they really do need more content in order to keep as many kids as they can interested, just like Netflix, just like Disney Plus. And yeah, they're really in a weird sector of the market, because while Disney Plus does have kids like profiles that you could set up, and Netflix as well, they don't have like catered content to it. GNUS is trying to make a catered content to become the new like Netflix for kids. So I think that's kids are very easily monetizable with GNUS. Also wants to get into the merchandise realm, so they are in the perfect place in the market in order to dominate the kid entertainment market. And they have a lot of cash to start acquiring even more things, just like their partnership with CIDM. But anyways, let's move on to the technical analysis. So here we are at the technical analysis. So obviously in late March was when they really peaked and were up to about over $3. And ever since then, they have been selling off ever since they made that announcement about what they're going to be doing with all this cash that they have been stacking up. And honestly, it was very positive news, but since that catalyst was gone, it kind of sold off, and it went all the way down to about $1.42. And ever since then, after the announcement of their partnership with CIDM, they have been on seeing new highs pretty much every day for the past about week. So that's very good. These candlesticks are very good to see over here, and the amount of the volume is this is the weird thing, is that there wasn't a ton of volume pushing up GNUS today. Like there was just a lot of buying volume compared to selling volume, and obviously that's what happens when there's more buying volume than selling volume. The stock goes up, but usually you'd see a bit more volume if we're going to see a stock go from about $1.45 to $1.85. But anyways, today let's go to the 5-minute integer. Sorry, my mic is in the way. A lot of green volume. The MACD has come back down, but at the end of the day, we have started a trend back up on the MACD. So we'll see if this continues into tomorrow morning. Obviously, you want the blue line to be crossing over the yellow line on the MACD. When this is red, that means the MACD is trending down. When it's green, it's trending up. So when you get to catch it at the very start of the trend backwards, trend back up on the MACD, that's very good. After hours, it's only down about 1% after being up 10% on the day. So pretty much exactly what we wanted to see. Obviously, a lot of green volume on the announcement of having 2 million viewers. And yeah, I mean, there was a bit more volume today than the past few days, but seriously, just a lot of buying volume. Is this going to continue in tomorrow? We'll have to see. We are in overbought territory, but we also have started our trend back on the back up on the MACD. But there is not going to be that news tomorrow that's going to be able to keep it. So where are we looking to hold support? I think we're looking to hold support at about $1.69. If we can stay above that all day tomorrow, I think we can make new support there and continue this trend reversal and confirm this trend reversal. Because obviously we're at $1.42 a few days ago. We pretty much held that. We had that support and we had that resistance of about $1.58. We broke through it. Now we're looking at, here, let me zoom out, 30 minutes. Now we're looking at a resistance of about, next resistance level is going to be about $1.90. If we can break that tomorrow, we could be returning to about the $2.20 level. That'll be the next resistance. I'm really, as a GNUS investor, just looking to make support at above $1.80. That's where I'm looking to make support. I want it to stay above that all day, but that's probably not very realistic. So, as long as we're above $1.70, I'm feeling comfortable. I'll feel very good if we're above $1.80 all day tomorrow. Not sure if that's possible. We are pretty overbought, and we are pretty high on the MACD at the moment, but we'll see what happens. That's going to be it for my technical analysis. But I want to remind you guys really quick that I'm not a financial advisor and that this is not financial advice. If you do want financial advice, make sure you seek it out from a professional financial advisor. But if you are interested in buying GNUS stock and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You got to get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you got to do is make an account, deposit $100, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. But that is going to be it for today. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach and I'll see you in the next video.